We've been in quarantine over a year now, and as difficult as these times are, it's pretty cool how people have been able to take things they typically like doing outside and find ways to do them at home. For a lot of people, home brewing in particular has been both a form of relaxation and a thoughtful, even meticulous hobby. Some might even call it a life skill. Like many things, it requires time, practice, and investing in the right tools. So if you're new to home brewing and you're not sure what kind of equipment to start with, we're here to help you out. For a brewing method that's simple, fast, and straight to the point, a French press would be a good pick. The device works by infusing hot water and coffee grounds together in a glass container. This steeping method allows you to extract a strong, full-bodied flavor out of your beans. The absence of filter paper will maximize saturation. All you have to do is scoop grounds into the press and pour a little hot water over them to begin the pre-infusion process. Pour the rest of your water into the glass after a few seconds and leave it to sit to allow extraction to take place. Once your grounds have been soaked in hot water for about a minute or so, you can push down the filter and pour the coffee straight into your mug. Frothy milk on top is optional, but highly recommended. Enjoy!